We built a 7-agent pipeline in NORA where each specialist hands off to the next, starting with a creative director and ending with an HTML developer, and the output is a fully coded, production-ready landing page from scratch. Here's the full workflow running live in NORA. We ran it across a few different models. You'll see those results right after at about the 5-minute 45-second mark. Full run is longer than this demo depicts. On average, it takes about 25 minutes cut down here for time. Each agent reads what the ones before it wrote, so by the time the last agent starts working, it already has everything it needs. No back and forth, no manual steps in between. It starts with the creative director. This agent decides what the brand is, the industry, the audience, the feeling the page should give off. It picks a color palette, a layout style, and one clear direction. Not a list of ideas, just one strong choice. Next is the UX strategist. It reads the creative brief and plans out the full page, every section. What order they go in, where the buttons should be, and how the page should feel on a phone versus a desktop. Then the copywriter takes over. It reads the brief and the page plan, then writes every single word on the page. The headline, the tagline, the feature descriptions, 3 fake but realistic customer reviews, the call to action, the footer, even the small text inside form fields. The visual designer handles how everything looks. It creates the full style guide, the fonts, the colors, the spacing, the button styles, the card layouts, everything the developer needs to actually build it. The technical architect reads all of that and writes the build plan. It figures out the best way to code the page, how to make it load fast, what the SEO tags should say, and how to make it accessible to all users. Before any code gets written, the design director does a final check. It reads every document, catches anything that doesn't match up, and puts together one clean, section-by-section guide for the developer with the copy, the design notes, and the layout all in one place. Then the HTML developer builds it. One complete HTML file with all the styles and code built in. It opens in a browser and it's done. No extra files, no libraries, just a working page. If you want to build this yourself, the link in the bio takes you straight to NORA. And if you want the exact goal prompts we used for every agent in this pipeline, just comment NORA, and we'll send them over. If you look closely at the URL, you'll see, for some of the landing pages, we actually included the name of the AI model right there in the file path. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this demo, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.